Your next car could be the 2020 Buick Encore. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 45,000 miles on the odometer. The Buick Encore, the sleek, small luxury SUV that meshes efficiency, power, and handling with technology that keeps you safe and connected. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: all-wheel drive, keyless entry, satellite radio, backup camera, heated mirrors, keyless start, 4-cylinder engine, steering wheel audio controls, Wi-Fi hotspot, power driver seat. Be connected, be efficient. Have fun in an SUV that gives you that bring it on feeling. Drive the Encore.